Hey YouTube, so I just got these JBL TUNE215 TWS. So this is the unboxing video for these truly wireless earbuds. Now we're having a look at the front of the packaging. So this is traditional JBL style for earbuds. Here we take a look at the back side. We have the window where we can already see the TUNE215. And then they come with the JBL pure bass sound. They have dual connect, so you can use either or of the earbuds or both at the same time. Then they have, of course, the comfort fit. They do support hands-free stereo calls, so they have microphones built in. And then they come with a USB Type-C charging port. Then 15 minutes of charge time in the charging case gives you 1 hour of playtime. And in total, the earbuds support 5 hours of playtime and then an additional 20 hours with the charging case. Then the earbuds come with Bluetooth 5.0, so that explains why we have here the dual connect where we can use either or of the earbuds separately. Now they also come with support for voice assist, so you can use Siri, Bixby or Google Assist with this. And then on the very bottom we have some more technical information. So the frequency range is from 20 Hz all the way up to 20 kHz. That's probably thanks to the 6mm driver, which is huge for earbuds. And then of course we've seen that before, the USB Type-C charging port that is built into the charging case. So now let's have a look inside of the packaging. And the first thing we see here is the charging cable, with one side being USB Type A and the opposite side Type-C. Then we have here a little bag with different ear tip sizes. So the medium size are pre-installed, and then we have the large and the small versions here in this little baggie. Then the paperwork we find here in the back portion in this cardboard little box here. So that's where we find the quick start guide. I'm just going to go through this here really fast. So if you want to take a deeper look, then maybe just pause the video so you can see exactly what the manual says here, how everything works. And then on the very last page we find the detailed specification for these earbuds. And now let's have a look at the charging case. So this is fully plastic. You see here on the front the JBL logo. And then below that we have 3 LEDs for the charging state indicator. And there's a lot of writing on the bottom. Backside we find the USB Type-C charging port. And then let's open it up, see what's inside here. Of course, the indents here for the earbuds. Left one goes to the left, the right earbud goes to the right. Nothing special, no buttons or anything else inside, so just the space for the earbuds. And now let's have a look at the earbuds themselves. So I'm going to start out with the left earbud here. So here, nice and black, this is the black version. The JBL logo, that's also a button, so you can press that. It's a mechanical button. Then it comes with the medium size ear tip pre-installed. Then it comes with a tiny hole here on the earbud. You see this there? And then you can see here the L stands for the left earbud, so you know which side goes into which ear. And on the very bottom, that's where we have the charging contacts. You can see those here shining. So there's 2 contacts here on the bottom. The ear tips can really easily be exchanged. You just pull off the one that is currently installed. You can see here also the hole here for the driver where the music comes out of. And then installing the ear tip again is really easy. You just kind of slide it on and press it a little bit and it will stay in place. Now the right earbud looks very much alike, only that it does have the R instead of the L on the inside. Now the first thing you have to do when you get the earbuds, you do have to charge them. So the charging case does come pre-charged, but the earbuds themselves are not. So you have to first put those in there for a while and charge them up for maybe at least 15 minutes so that they start working and you can try them out. You can immediately see here on the top of the earbuds, you see now the small LED that indicates here that the batteries are being charged. Okay, so this is already it here, the unboxing video of the JBL TUNE215 TWS. Hope you found this video helpful. If you do have any more questions or comments, then please write a message below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.